Another top pick was the T-fal FZ700251 multi-Actifry fryer, and this T-fal unit has a 2.2 pound capacity. It comes complete with a rotating paddle which removes the need to have to stop your cooking halfway through in order to shake or flip the food, as with some air fryers you will need to do that and shake things around so you get even crispiness. The ceramic coated non-stick pan is removable for convenient cleanup when you're finished cooking, and the secure locking lid helps eliminate splatter. It also has a really large viewing window that allows you to kind of look in and keep track of the progress without having to remove the tray to see what it is, and since you don't have to remove it to move it around, it's even more of a reason to look into it. It has an integrated filter for odorless cooking, a stay cool exterior for added safety, so while it's on you don't touch it. If you got kids, they won't burn themselves, and it comes with a color recipe book included. So you're looking for another top pick for an air fryer, the T-fal FZ700251 multi-Actifry fryer could be a really nice choice for you.